What is up? What is up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, men and women? We are back to another YouTube video, another market outlook midweek market outlook. So we'll just be going through what the market has been doing throughout the week. Today is Thursday, 25th of June 2026. So yes, so we'll just be going through what the market has been doing throughout the week and see whether our analysis has been playing out as expected. So good morning to everybody. Good morning to everybody. I hope we had a good trading week. Yeah. So going to USD JPY now. What? Your voice. So going to USD JPY, what we have here, see that market has just been buying to the upside, and so for USD JPY we'll just be buying till it gives us any opportunity. But I feel from this high we should be expecting some sell side movements, at least to come and take out some of this liquidity here. But yeah, at the moment USD JPY is just buying, so there hasn't really been any opportunity here. But yeah, that is just it. If you go to the 4-hour, there's nothing much to see. It has just been bullish. The price action has not been so good, but yeah, we'll take it as it comes. So going on to XAUSD, and XAUSD this week has just been too good. Market has been tanking down to the downside. Like if you took any position on XAUSD, like just sell. Like anywhere you sold, bro, you make money. So yeah, so that's just it for XAUSD. XAUSD has been selling to the downside. That's broken structure, right, reinforcing further sales. So from here you might just be expecting a retracement. Let me remove some of this thing so that we can see the market clearly. Let me remove some of this thing so we can see the market clearly. Yeah. So wait, let me just take us back so we'll see the sales I took or something. So yeah, you can see some of the sales I took here. So I took it though, I don't know. Yeah, so you see this first one, this second one, even this last one, but it was a missed entry, but I still found a way to enter around here. So still sold and broke to the downside again. So this is what we are now expecting from gold. You understand? This is what I was expecting from gold, but gold has not reached this level yet. So I might still take this opportunity, but yeah, I've gotten enough already. Like that's if I was to trade it on a live account, I wouldn't trade this one again because it has broken structure already and most likely to give a retracement, and you wouldn't want to be on this side of the market every time because you might most likely take a loss here. So yeah, although there was no capital to trade, but I was just able to trade on my demo account, and I keep practicing till the time that an opportunity will come for a prop firm or a live account. Maybe I'll gather some money and fund. Yes, so that's just it for gold. Gold has just been selling, but what I expect now after this break of structure is that I expect price to go for a deeper retracement, right? Although this is the target for now, but I expect price to just give a little retracement towards this area, around this area, then we'll now see another push to the downside. But for now gold is really bearish. Really bearish. It's really bearish. Look at it, has just been selling. It's free money. So yes, so to GBP USD too has been selling. So good. It has been selling. The network is not quite good, so we analyzed that GU was going to be selling, and yes, I told you all that we would be expecting. See, the last market outlook that was on Sunday, I told us that we'll be expecting buys at least to come and take out this high, but GU bought, but it didn't take out this high. It didn't take out this high. It took out this internal liquidity here, and it kept dropping to the downside. So although I took this buy, yes, and in the last market outlook video too, I showed us this pattern that if there's a bearish candle and then there's a engulfing candle that breaks, that changes character, most times this entry is valid, right? So I just took it from here and targeted this liquidity here, and yeah, it was a good trade. Then GU came, it tapped into this other block and just started selling. Going to buy and take out this. This was what I was expecting, for GU to come and take out this high, fill up this inefficiency here and continue giving us a sell. But GU didn't do that. It just took out this internal liquidity here and then started selling to the downside. And you can see I caught this buy on Monday, right? I caught this buy on Monday, and yeah, when we got here, I think I closed around here. I thought it would reach this area, but it didn't. I saw some selling pressure on this place after I took out this liquidity, and I just closed. So from there, GU just started selling gradually, and from here I went to the lower time frame. I started marking out the structure GU was giving, and then yeah, I was able to take this sell here. Oh, network is very bad. Network is very bad. So let's do full screen. Yeah, let's go to 5 minutes. Now that I mark some of this thing clearly. Yeah. So yeah, this one was in the 15 minutes. Then you see that price came to this place, tapped, continued, went up, gave it a market structure, a sweep of liquidity, change of character, and then it came back, it tapped into that block. I saw it, I marked it out. Then I saw this break of structure again. Then it came, it didn't tap into this other block, it just induced, right, and started selling, broke structure. Then it came back again. As it tapped into this other block, I knew that price was going to sell, so I waited for price to give me a change state of delivery. Then after this line, then I knew that price was going to sell. Then I just placed my entry here and allowed price to run. So yes, so it just came, this is what you have to do. It was like over how many pips? Let me check. This is over how many pips? Yeah, like 53, almost 60 pips. So yeah, so market came now, it just ranged, took out liquidity and just kept selling. So GU was extremely bearish and eventually hit CP. So I was expecting to sell from here, but GU didn't sell from here, and we took a loss here on my demo account. So yeah, we'll just keep trading, keeping our hands sharp, while opportunities will surely come in the future, and possibly get a prop firm, or we can fund a live account, and then we can push the money up by God's grace. So yeah, that's what GU has been doing. GU has been selling. So what we expect GU to do now is, I expect GU to just keep the way it is now. I feel it will just keep buying and possibly even come and take out this high that we anticipated before. Right, but it will take a long time. I feel GU might just be buying for now. Right, considering this structure here too, the way it was selling sluggishly and then just eventually hitting this drawn liquidity here. So yeah, that's what I expect GU to do. But yeah, for now we might actually see buys on GU, right, to this high. This inefficiency here might still be filled, then we'll now continue to the downside again. I still have this level here, and there's still more levels to cut, right? And so yes, so I expect you to just buy, take out this high first, then this one second, then we'll now be looking for more sales. So we'll just be keeping our eyes out for buys for now. At the moment, we'll just be keeping our eyes out for buys to take out this liquidity here and then short GU to the downside eventually. So yes, Euro USD has just been very nonchalant. It has just been selling, selling, and selling. It didn't give much retracement like GBP USD, but it has just been selling. No, it has been relentless. It has been relentless, and it has just been selling and selling and selling. So yeah, I didn't take any trade on Euro USD because I was wanting a better structure, but I wasn't able to get any clear entry. But GBUSD gave me a good entry, so I was able to take a trade there. So yeah, so the same thing. I'll be expecting buys for now. Expecting Euro USD to come and take out this liquidity high here. That's this one, then also this one. Yeah, so let's just see what it does. It might come out and take out that high, it might not. So I expect Euro USD to buy and come and take out some of these highs, and then we'll now see another push to the downside, possibly targeting all these lows that I marked out here. Yeah, so yeah, that's just it. I didn't really trade GBP JPY. I didn't really trade GBP JPY, but yeah, like it came back to this other block here, and currently it's buying. But yeah, that's just it for the market outlook. If there's any pair you want me to check out or analyze and drop on the YouTube channel, you can just put it under the comments here in the YouTube channel, and yes, we'll go through it and analyze it together. So yeah, I think we have come to the end of the video. Just do well to like and subscribe to the channel, so that our video can be pushed to other people, so that people can see our video. So yeah, just like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.